Thank you for selecting Colonial Flag for the purchase and installation of your new flagpole. When you first purchased your flagpole, the Colonial Flag staff should have made you aware of two things. First, whether or not your flagpole is in stock, and second, what our current estimated lead time is for your pole's installation. If your flagpole is in stock, we will be contacting you shortly to discuss your upcoming installation. If your flagpole is out of stock right now, though, you will be receiving a call to discuss Colonial Flag's estimated restocking date for your pole. Then later you'll get another call to discuss your installation date as your pole's restocking date draws nearer. Included in your new flagpole's packet is our pre-installation sign-off form. We will need you to fill this out and send it back to us prior to scheduling your installation. Many of the points this form covers are things we have explained in this video. Once you have filled it out, it can be emailed to our installation coordinator at installs@colonialflag.com or faxed to 801-562-1177. If you have any questions regarding this form, please contact your salesperson at 801-562-0123. Once again, thank you for selecting Colonial Flag. If you have any questions regarding your installation, please contact us.